So guys, for today's video guys, may prepare po tayo na Sony 32 inches. Model number po niya guys is Sony KDL 32W6070, 32 inches to guys. Yung problema niya dito guys, plug natin guys, power, ayan guys, power siya pero wala ka siyang display, wala siyang display guys. Tingnan natin guys, tingnan natin guys. Guys, yung ilaw siya guys, yung backlight niya guys. Tingnan natin to yung BGH niya guys. Meron ba guys? BGH. Okay guys. BGH niya. Ito guys, working on guys. Ya. PGL lock niya guys, dito po ito ating po yung kanya mga clock dito guys, kasi may problema dito sa kanya tingnan natin guys yung kanya. Meron siyang supply na 12.1 volts dito dun sa kanya, BTR niya po niya guys. Tingnan natin guys kung mayroon ba dito guys sa BTR niya guys. BTS niya pala guys, BTS. Ayan guys, meron siya guys 30 volts yung BTR niya guys. Tingnan natin yung BTR niya guys. Ayan, negative 7 guys, meron guys. Ayan, tingnan natin yung display guys kung meron na ba guys. Ayan guys, tingnan pa natin guys kung may display po siya guys. Ayan po guys, meron na po siya guys, may display na po siya guys. no signal. Ayan guys, ang problema niya guys. Ayan guys, oh. Wala na siya problema guys, yung dito sa kilpan niya guys, oh. So, kabila niya may guhit na black. Kasi guys, sira yung kwan dito guys, eh. Yung spec niya dito guys, may tama. Wala tayong magawa dyan guys, pero okay naman to guys. Yan ang guys. Thank you for watching guys.